tutorial for making neat crimping joints at the end of your necklaces. For this, take a U loop. We've posted a tutorial before. There is one crimp above the bead and one crimp below the bead. Now using a flat nose plier, flatten the upper crimp a little loose over the loop. In the same way, the lower one a little loose over the loop. This is how it should look. Now this is a crimp cover. It comes in the shape of a C, and this is a crimping pliers which you can find with A1 Craft Supply. Hold the crimp cover like this in the crimping pliers. Slide it on top of the crimp and press. Like this. Now take 90 degrees and press once again. This will convert the crimp cover into almost a complete bead. To show it again, this is a crimp cover. This is the crimping pliers. Hold it in the crimping pliers like this. Slide it on top of the crimp and press. There, bring it together, turn it 90 degrees and press again. And here it forms like a complete bead and your crimps are completely hidden. Thank you.